o ke ola, I ke ia mele o ke ola, lohe mai I ko pepe au. A ka maka, I ke ia mele o ke ola, I ke ia mele o ke ola. Lohe mai I ko pepe au, a ka maka, I ke ia mele o ke ola. Alohe mai I ko pepe au, a ka maka, I ke ia mele o ke ola, I ke ia mele o ke ola, I ke ia mele o ke ola.
Thank you. I come more from the teaching angle of how to feel and be Hawaiian. And we do that through the Kihualu all the time. And I like to think of Kihualu as simple. See, life is simple. Humans made it hard. Okay, so we're going to do one more song in Kihualu. And this one's going to be on the new album with my brother Tony. It's a classic, which means we're not sure if it's been copyrighted or not, but it's public domain. Anyway, and it's a song about all the different wahinis from the different areas. But we'll concentrate on the lower downtown district. The urban wahinis. It goes like this. Maybe you remember. It goes like this. Talk about sase. Kai ke mahine no idileila sase ho ikauleva ana. Ua ma'avalei ke ai ala mihila sase ho ikauleva ana. My brother Tony from Kalihi Palama. Kai ka mahine no kalihila sase ho ikauleva ana. Ua ma'avalei ka inu piala sase ho ikauleva ana. Tell them about Palama, the Palama girls. Kai ka mahine no Palama la sase. Oh, sase.
They really sexy. And they eat plenty of rice.
Kai ka mahine no kaka'akola sase ho ikauleva ana. Ai ai ka papa ABC la sase ho I ka uleva ana.
Ah, life is so simple.
Que kani pare.
Haina ia mai ana kapuana la sase ho I ka uleva ana.
Ua maawalei ka au ka ke la sase ho I ka uleva ana.
What does ikake mean?
E kake donkey. No?
Donkey.
Yeah.
Haina ia mai ana kapuana la sase ho I ka uleva ana. Ua maawalei ka au e ka ke la sase ho I ka uleva ana.
Don't be sassy now. All you beautiful young women out there. Sassy. Aloha.
Thank you, my brother Tony.
What is
Thank you.
Laki? It's a style of playing that you can only get in Hawaii. It's open tunings, the same open tunings that they use in country music and a lot of different countries, but it's the way you play it, the way the bass is, that alternating bass and the pull-offs and all those little things that make it unique to Hawaii.